Okay, gang. While this is not an official cigar and whiskey talk, I am going to be smoking a cigar and drinking some whiskey while I'm doing it. A little Yellowstone today. I gotta be honest, I wanted this to be stellar when I got it. It's a good bourbon, but probably not what I would intentionally go and get. Yellowstone's getting ready to come back on, so I figured I'd go get some Yellowstone whiskey to celebrate. And I got it a couple weeks ago. I don't know if it's been in a video or not. Maybe too much bourbon. Maybe that's why, I don't know. And this is a Warfighter 50 cal Garrison. So, I don't have my lighter today. So we're going with the power dose. Maybe. Helps if you turn the knob the right way. Other YouTubers would edit that out. I'm not gonna. I'm sitting out here in my shed today. To be honest with you, I've been waiting for the AT&T guy to get here all day to fix my phone. It's 3 in the afternoon. The appointment was at 7:30 this morning. But, you know, I've been thinking about doing a business's phoning it in now. Cigar and whiskey talk, and that may actually make it in there. Hear a vehicle going down the road. Not stopping though. I figured he would get here as soon as I started to do this video. But anyway, I just wanted to bring you guys up to speed. To the new Patreon subscribers, I really appreciate that. Like I've told you before, YouTube's not monetized for me. And today I'm sitting here with the dilemma of, do I even care if I get kicked off YouTube? Do I care if I get monetized? I do care, to the extent where I would kind of like this to be a little bit of extra income in my retirement. Especially now, since I went and bought the Salty Dog Afloat command. You'll see more about that in videos later. I bought a 30-foot boat. But anyhow, it's not pretty. It needs work. It's a rehabber. But anyway, I just wanted to let everybody know what's going on, because I haven't done a channel update in a while. In fact, I've been remiss about doing a lot of videos. So this is what I have in the works. I have some van videos that are coming up, van camping kind of stuff. I don't have that much from the school to put up, because quite frankly, I'm generally not filming while I'm over there. So Paul Hack is doing all that kind of stuff. Adaptable Survival. If you guys want to go check out his YouTube channel. What else have I got going on? We're going to have the Salty Dog Afloat command videos coming up, because I'm going to have to spend some time down there rehabbing that thing and getting it ready to go to sea, so to speak. I've got a new plant series that I've been working on. It's kind of in development right now. I've done a little bit of filming for it, but not much. It's going to be kind of pretty much the format as the intro to plant series was. It's going to be Prezi videos. I've got several people telling me I need to do some kind of online tutorial, which, you know, I try not to do a lot of things which you guys would have to pay for. But then again, I kind of walk that line between I don't want to ask people for money, and I need to get paid so I can do other stuff. Because some of the stuff costs some money. the video series for the boat is going to cost a lot. But, you know, that's me. And that was my retirement anyway. I was thinking a long time ago to get a sailboat and never be seen or heard from again when I retired. And that could happen yet, except for you guys. I haven't done a lot of the Patreon B-log stuff, which was supposed to be exclusive content just for the Patreon folks, and exclusive posts and things that are on there for members only, and kind of behind-the-scenes stuff and different stuff that I may hesitate to put out in the public view. So I'm really going to have to, since some of you are subscribing to Patreon now, I guess I'm really going to have to bump that up. Rumble, I'm not doing a lot with Rumble. I intended on all of the cigar and whiskey talks to be over there because they're a little bit more tolerant of the kind of language and rants that I want to do over there, more so than YouTube. But then again, YouTube doesn't like me much anyway, and a lot of the folks that they don't like me much anyway. It's not just me. I'm not big enough to be on their radar very much, but a lot of my friends are. So I'm hoping to get big enough to be on the radar. That's my goal, is to be noticed by YouTube and hated. But anyway, that's really about all I've got going on. I just really wanted to get with you guys and let you know what's happening here. Give you a little insight. We're going to be at Smoky Mountain Knife Works on, I want to say the 15th, 16th, and 17th of next month. Myself and Dave and Sean are going to be down there. And I don't know who else yet. I know some people have been asked, but I don't know who's coming and who's not. So, if you want to stop by and see us at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, it's going to be there the 15th, 16th, and 17th, I believe. If you want to get on Smoky Mountain's Knife Works, can't speak English. If you want to get on Smoky Mountain Knife Works website and look at their event schedule, it's the representative days or the dealer days or whatever it is right in the middle of October. I want to say it's 15th, 16th, and 17th. Been out in the stingweeds, my legs itch. But anyhow, that's what I've got going on coming up there. Basically, I'm just in the shed today waiting for the AT&T guy, and I've been trying to catch up on cutting boards for Self-Reliance Outfitters and fix and wax for Self-Reliance Outfitters. Shawns New Knife is coming out this week, I believe. So, if you want to help me poach a little bit from Sean, use my link to go buy his knife. That would be wrong. Don't do that. Go to his channel. Get it. Use his link. Go buy his special edition knife. Unless, of course, you like me better than you like him. But I don't know. I want you to check out everybody else's YouTube channels. All the instructors at the at the Pathfinder School. Can't speak English today for some reason. And this is my first whiskey, believe it or not. So y'all know, check out Dave's channel. You're already checking out my channel if you're seeing this. Check out Sean's Corporal Corner. Check out Pooter Stomper. Check out Paul over at Adaptable Survival. Check out Andrew over at Drew's Adventures. And everybody else. They're all listed on my, if you go to my main page for the YouTube channel, they're all listed on the Friends of Salty Dog area down there. So, recap. Van videos, new plant series, coming up soon, the Salty Dog Afloat series, and then I've got some other gear I need to talk to you about and things like that. I got some more stuff to get up for the Knot series. Basically, I probably got 10 or 15 videos ready to go, but I'm not sure YouTube's ready for them yet. I know you guys are. I'm not sure YouTube's ready for them yet, and I don't want to. I really need to get my views up to 4,000 hours over a 365-day rolling average. So I've got some hope of getting monetized someday. But I would have to put out a lot more videos to do that and bug you guys a lot more. And this video is already longer than I wanted it to be. So, thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Go over and support all my friends. Hope to see you all at the school, taking classes. And I hope to see some of you down at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. If you want to help support the channel, either sign up at Patreon or go over to my Teespring store and buy a sticker or something. I only get like a dollar from everything you buy from Teespring. So, but if you want to go over to Patreon, the cheapest I could set that up was $1, and that's what I set up. Of course, there's a large one. If any of you are millionaires and want to keep me quiet, get 8 or 9 of your friends and sign up for that highest level up there, and I'll just shut up. So talk to you later. Bye.